The Oracle MICROS Compact Workstation 310 and 310R are powered by the included power adapter or an optional external battery. This video demonstrates how to assemble the enclosure for battery and how to mount it on the basic and flexible stands. Remove the enclosure cover by unscrewing the two captive screws using the 2.5mm hex wrench included with your workstation. Insert the battery into the enclosure by carefully aligning the battery power contacts with the battery terminals. Gently press down on the battery to secure the connection. Next, position the battery pull tab to ensure it stays inside the enclosure, and then reattach the cover. To mount the enclosure on the basic stand, place the stand upside down on a flat surface, and then insert the enclosure mounting tabs into the stand mounting slots. Tighten the stand thumb screw to secure the enclosure to the stand. To mount the enclosure on the flexible stand, place the stand upside down on a flat surface. Insert the enclosure into the recessed compartment, and then slide up to join the enclosure mounting tabs with the stand. Finally, tighten the stand thumb screw to secure the enclosure to the stand.